Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do an awesome job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something that you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Illinois. Illinois became the 21st state to join the Union on December 3rd, 1818. The original governor was a guy named Bond, Shadrach Bond. We know today that the capital of Illinois is Springfield, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, Illinois' original capital was a town called Kaskaskia. The state flag consists of a white background with an eagle standing on a rock and a patriotic shield. The eagle has a red banner in its mouth with the words State Sovereignty and National Union written on it. That's the state motto. The state bird is the northern cardinal. The state tree is the white oak tree. The state flower is the violet. And the state nickname is the Prairie State, or the Land of Lincoln. Now hopefully this is enough information. Get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, do an awesome job. You got this! Till next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.